Hello everyone, welcome back once again to the kitchen. Today on this episode of Cooking with Rev, it's lunchtime. Just got done cooking the vegetable soup that you would have saw in the previous episode had you watched that. And I realized it's lunchtime, I haven't eaten yet today, so let's make some lunch. What am I making? Hamburger. But there's a special ingredient to this hamburger that you will see at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm basically just going to make a couple hamburgers. These are Flanders pre-made soy-ish patties. They're half beef, half soy or something. I got this recipe actually from my uncle, who has since passed, but if he saw me cooking this recipe with these, he'd probably kick my ass and tell me to go down to the store and get a real hamburger, because he likes to take ground beef, put his seasonings in it, mix it all up, make patties out of it and cook them. I'm not doing all that because the pound of hamburger I had out, my mother browned up for some reason because she didn't know I was going to use it for anything. So I'm just going to use these Flanders. I'm going to make two of them because, like I said, it's my lunchtime. My pan's already preheated, so we're just going to throw that in there. And these two are sort of stuck together. There, got them apart. So I'm going to throw in a second one. And then I'm just going to put the lid on and let those brown up. And we'll be back when they're done. Usually let them cook about 5 minutes on each side, flip them over, let them cook another 5 minutes, flip them back over, let them cook another 3 to 5 minutes, flip them back over, let that side cook another 3 to 5 minutes, then I usually call them done. That would be the point where I'd also put any cheese on it or anything like that. Not putting cheese on these today, but I will show you what I am going to put on them, and that's the secret ingredient. So we will be back when these are done cooking. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. You can hear that sizzle. I would say you can see they're starting to gray up, but they're already gray when they come out of the package. And all my good spatulas are in the wash apparently. So I'm going to grab this one, whatever it's for. Kind of get under it, give it a nice turn. There you can see it's nice and brown on that side. That one, nice and brown on that side. Now we put the lid back on, let that side cook for 5 more minutes. And then we'll check them again. So I'll see you guys in 5. Okay, so it's been approximately another 5 minutes. As you can see, the burgers start to lift in the middle a little bit. That kind of indicates to me that they're ready to be turned. I hate this spatula because I can't get under it. Be careful of popping grease like that. One time I took a grease splatter in the eye and it was not fun. We'll give that another turn. Okay, you can see that one's starting to get a little bit darker compared to this one. And that's about where you want them. We're going to do a couple more minutes on that side just to bring them back down. And then they should be done. I know I said I was going to flip them one more time, but I don't think I will. That side's pretty... Sorry about not being able to see what I'm doing. I'm trying to pay attention to the food and not the camera. Yeah, so as you can see, that side's a little bit doner, so I'm not going to flip it back to that side. I'm just going to let this side cook for a couple more minutes, and then we'll be ready to take them off. In the meantime, however, I am going to toast some bread for my burgers. Now, last time I used this toaster, this side wasn't working. I'm going to try it, but probably not. I'll probably have to take longer to toast my bread. Yeah. For some reason, this side won't lock down. I don't know. Okay, not sure what happened, but as you can see, that side works. This side still doesn't. Don't know why. It worked fine the other day, so I'll have to wait till this one pops and I'll move these over to there and toast those as well. And about the time these are done, the burgers should be ready to come off. So our burgers are now ready. Our toast is still doing the second half, but we got the first half here. So let's bring them over here and dish out our burgers. If I can do this one-handed. And take them out, set them right down on there. Try and center them a little bit. And onto there. Now we're going to put the lid back on there and let that grease cool before we dispose of it. Move this burger back to center. Now, there's our second piece of toast popping up, so we're going to grab that, come over here to the plate, and now I'm going to show you the secret ingredient. Okay everyone, and the secret ingredient is a teaspoon. Wait, a teaspoon of what? Well, let's see. Our actual secret ingredient, why you need the teaspoon, is Strawberry preserves. That's right, we are putting strawberry preserves on a burger. I know it sounds weird, guys, but trust me, it is actually good. Like I said, I got this recipe from my uncle. When he first told me that's what he was making, I was like, that sounds disgusting. I'm not eating that. He made it anyway. He goes, you got to try at least one bite. If you don't like it, you don't have to eat it. I tried one bite. I asked for another one. That's how good these were. Secret is you got to use strawberry preserves, not strawberry jelly, not strawberry jam, but strawberry preserves. So let's put some of that on here. Okay, not sure how well I'm going to be able to film this. Got both hands in the shot here. You just want a teaspoon of strawberry preserves. Dab it right on top of the burger right there. Give it a nice spread around. Ooh, there we go. Just like that. I'll do one over here on the other burger. Spread that around. Just like that. That is it, guys. That is our strawberry preserve burger. Put the other piece on top. The other piece on top there. And there you have it. One other little secret is I did have the preserves sitting out while I was cooking the burger, so they are a little bit closer to room temperature. You don't want them too cold because it'll be a weird combination between the cold and the heat of the burger. So kind of let them sit out at room temperature for a little bit, but then as soon as you're done, put them right back in the fridge. Now, I like to cut my burgers in half just because it's easier for me to eat them. And there you see they are cut in half. Now, unlike my other videos, I'm actually going to let you guys watch me eat these just to prove that these are actually really good. I'm going to flip the camera around. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I don't know if you can see. Right there they are, still on the plate. Just so you can see, there is still jam on them. See the toast? Alright, so now, no video editing here. Just straight up jelly burger. Here we go. Oh, strawberry preserve burger. Cheers. The only thing that would make this better is if I'd actually used real hamburger instead of these Flanders things. But either way, it is amazing. I recommend that you guys try it. Like I said, it does sound weird, but it is delicious. You can see I'm not spitting it out. Here, look. Oh. Delicious. Now, as I said, I got this recipe from my uncle who passed away a couple years ago. He got it from a book that someone gave him as a gift. It was called like 1,001 Ways to Prepare a Burger or something like that. 1,001 different burger recipes or something. He saw this one, it intrigued him, he tried it, he liked it, he gave it to his kids, they liked it. I came up for a visit, he goes, oh, I'm making some jam burgers tonight. I was like, some what? He goes, oh, it's strawberry preserves on a burger. I was like, that, you know, like I said, it doesn't sound good. And my cousin's like, oh man, you gotta try it, they're amazing, they're amazing. I said, I don't know. He goes, my uncle goes, I'm gonna make you one. If you don't like it, you know, you take one bite of it. If you don't like it, you don't have to eat it. Give it to one of the other kids or to me, we'll eat it. I tried it. Haven't had one since, but now I am. So, cheers again. I don't know why they go together, but they do, and it's delicious. Now, the book calls for strawberry preserves. I don't know how well it'll work with other preserves. You can try it, let me know. Also, another thing I wanted to point out, if you guys try any of these recipes, please, I've seen some other cooking channels do this, take pictures, send them to me. I want to see how you guys like them. Let me know how you like them in the comments below. Let me know, hey, I tried this recipe, it was awesome. Tried this recipe, it was crap. I tried this recipe, I would add some blah blah blah. Let other people know what you're doing when you're cooking. Because that's how people learn how to cook. Because no one learns from their grandparents anymore. You gotta learn it on YouTube. So that is it for this episode. Again, as always, thank you guys for watching. Remember, like, comment, rate, subscribe. Share the video. Links are down there and up there, hopefully, or up here. I think this is mirrored, so up there, possibly. I don't know. And until next time, everyone, we will see you. Wait, that's not how I end this. So as always, thank you guys for watching. And until next time, get out of my kitchen.